Students, let's see how TDS is deposited to IT department. Now it is clear to understand the important person between the payer and the payee. We know who is an important person here. The important person is not the payee who is receiving the amount. It is the person who is going to pay the amount after deducting the TDS, and he is going to link the payee to the income tax department. So here the real hero here is payer only. Now you understand, it is clear to understand the important person between the payer and the payee is payer only. Now what payer is going to do? What is his role? Exactly. Payer deposits monthly TDS. It means in a day it can be one transaction of the TDS or it can be more than one. He will not go every day to submit or deposit the amount into the bank. What he does is he will collect all the TDS, and once in a month he goes and deposit the TDS amount into the bank. But every month he deposits into the bank, but quarterly he files a return to the income tax department. That is TDS return form. He obtains a TDS return form from the IT department. He fills all the details of the TDS and from whom he has deducted the TDS, for what kind of transactions. Every information he will be writing on the or filling on the TDS return form. Once he has been done that after quarterly, it means every 3 months. Immediate after that, within 15 days, he has to issue TDS certificate to payee. And now we see that TDS return form. TDS return form, you can see here, it is the payer who enters the payee details. There is something called the traces portal when you are going to go for the online TDS return form. There the payer has to enter all the payee details. It will be what is the amount on which TDS is deducted, TDS detail, rate of TDS, PAN number and other details of the payee. So here the payee is going to link all these details on the traces portal of the payee. Now payee will receive the TDS certificate. The TDS certificate is received only after he is going to file all the returns quarterly by the exclamation